Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate an AI image from, in Canva from text. So you're just going to scroll down, and if the option isn't here, you're going to select apps and you're going to select text to image. And here you are going to describe the image you want to see, including objects, colors, locations, surroundings, and people. I am going to type in spring in Paris, for instance, and I'm going to choose my style. You can choose like a random style, but I think I am going to choose a painting style, and I'm going to generate image, and I'm just going to wait for AI to generate my image from the text that I typed down. It's going to take a few seconds depending on what you requested to, I think, but I'm just going to wait for it to generate. So there it is. This is what AI has, the AI has generated for me, spring in Paris. And I'm just going to select the image that I want to use. I like this one the best. I'm just going to select it, and it's going to be added to my Canva canvas, I guess. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. It would mean a lot to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!